Welcome to our tutorial on how to feature a video on your YouTube channel using your PC. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to showcase your content and highlight a specific video for your audience to see. Step 1. First, open YouTube on your PC and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture and selecting YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Step 2. In YouTube Studio, locate the left-hand menu and select Customization. Then, click on Layout to access the Layout Editing section for your channel. Step 3. Within the Layout section, find the Video Spotlight area. Click on ADD to select a video from your channel that you want to feature as a spotlight video. Step 4. After choosing the video, click Publish to save the changes and make the featured video visible on your channel's homepage. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily feature a video on your YouTube channel using your PC. This allows you to customize and showcase your content, making it easier for your audience to discover and engage with your videos. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful for you.